You've probably heard people say things like, all debt is confuse, things like, all debt is bad. Some debt is good if it builds wealth. You should never borrow money. Debt is just a tool. All of these sound right, and all of them can be wrong depending on context. Today we're clearing up what good debt and bad debt really mean, why most people misunderstand it, and how to think about debt in real life, not theory. The big misunderstanding. The biggest mistake people make is believing this one idea. Good debt is always good, and bad debt is always bad. That's not how debt works. Debt is not good or bad because of its label. Debt becomes good or bad based on how it affects your life, your cash flow, and your stress. What people call good debt. Additionally, people call this good debt. Student loans, mortgages, business loans. The logic is simple. This debt helps you earn more or build assets. But here's the truth. These debts are only good if they actually improve your financial stability. A mortgage that strains your budget is not good. A student loan with no earning payoff is not good. A business loan with no cash flow is not good. What people call bad debt. Bad debt usually refers to credit cards, personal loans, buy now, pay later, high-interest consumer debt. But even here, context matters. A credit card paid off every month isn't bad. A high-interest loan used to survive an emergency might be necessary. Labels alone don't tell the full story. A better way to think about debt. Instead of good versus bad, think in terms of productive and destructive debt. Productive debt supports long-term stability, has a clear purpose, fits within your cash flow and doesn't create constant stress. Destructive debt drains your income, offers no lasting value, comes with high interest, and creates anxiety or instability. This distinction matters far more than labels. Interest is not the whole story. Interest is the price you pay to borrow money. But low interest doesn't automatically mean safe, and high interest doesn't automatically mean evil. What really matters is this. Can you afford the payment? Does this debt expand or restrict your future options? Are you borrowing for growth or survival? Debt that limits your choices is dangerous, no matter what it's called. Cash flow is the real test. The most important question to ask about any debt is simple. Does this improve or weaken my monthly cash flow? Even so-called good debt becomes bad when payments are too high, income is unstable, or emergencies become unaffordable. Cash flow stress turns any debt into a problem when good debt turns bad. Good debt becomes bad when expectations were unrealistic, income didn't materialize, costs were underestimated, or life simply changed. Debt doesn't fail people, rigid thinking does. When bad debt it's understandable. Sometimes people use bad debt to survive. Medical emergencies, job loss, unexpected expenses. That doesn't mean the debt is good, but it does mean the person is human. The goal isn't shame, the goal is recovery and stability. How you should think about debt. Instead of asking, is this good debt or bad debt? Ask better questions. Can I afford this comfortably? Does this reduce or increase stress? Does this open or close future options? Do I have a clear plan to handle it? Debt should support your life, not control it. Final truth about debt. Debt is a tool, and tools can build or break depending on how they're used. Good debt doesn't guarantee success. Bad debt doesn't mean failure. What matters is intent, cash flow, stability, and time. Understand debt before you use it.
If you're finding this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share the video. Lean Learning Lane is all about simple, practical education, one clear lesson at a time.